Welcome back to Klein Electronics. Today we're going to be talking about two popular earpieces, the Curl and the Star Pro, both with inline push-to-talk buttons and a Camlock connector custom built for the Kyocera DuraXE Epic. So now that I've selected my application and I scroll to choose my contact, I use my inline push-to-talk with a microphone to reach out to them. Hey Jordan, can you hear me?
Yep, sounds great.
Got that, copy.
Klein and Kyocera collaborated to make a unique Camlock locking system. Simply insert and a quarter turn locks it into place. The rugged inline housing has a rubberized, tactile push-to-talk button and an alligator swivel clothing clip on the back. Built into the push-to-talk housing is a microphone, and on either side rugged strain reliefs. A removable and fully adjustable clothing clip is also included. The professional armature speaker is 3 times louder than normal speakers and much clearer. We've custom tooled a locking, easy, quick disconnect audio tube so that you can clean and replace your audio tubes in the field. From noise canceling to custom fit to hypoallergenic silicone, a variety of ear tip options are available to choose from. Curl has a comfortable and flexible ear loop and a swivel speaker for left or right ear use. It's easily wiped off for hygienic passing along to the next shift worker.
Stay tuned for more Klein POC products built for Kyocera.